Hi guys! So don't add to the cart, shop smart. What a beautiful tagline. And first of all, Shivam, I would like to congratulate you and Refillable on the Refillable grocery truck. What a wonderful concept. So I am a zero waster. I definitely know about the concept and I also know why and how it's really important for the environment. But you tell us from Refillable side why the grocery truck.
So our main motive behind the grocery truck is to eliminate the single-use plastic bags in which normally the groceries come. So with this truck we started the concept of home delivery, but that is nothing new. People have been doing this.
Yeah, correct. So what's new?
What we do is we get your groceries in these bags till your doorstep, and then we refill them in your own container. So. So that way eliminating the use of single-use plastic bags at all. At any point if your containers are not available, maybe you have something in them, you can keep these cloth bags stored and return it or use it as you like it.
Wow, that's amazing. So one main problem that I used to face is whenever I go to any grocery shop, the moment you want to buy anything organic, anything non-organic, anything buy one get one free, everything is packaged in a plastic bag, and that used to add to so much of my kachra because we don't throw anything out, so it just keeps on accumulating. And also eating stuff from a single-use plastic container or any kind of plastic container is not good, right?
Yeah, that is plastic. If you keep them in sunlight, it tends to release some something which is not good for you.
Yeah, microplastic.
Yes, correct. So that is why we can save it in cloth or your own containers. If you have a glass container or a tin container, that is the best.
And what if people get a plastic container? What would you tell them?
As long as they don't dispose it, I think it's good.
Yeah. Right. But I think, I am always spreading this message of not using plastic containers also to store your food. That is because microplastics are again released in that, but that is better than a single-use plastic polythene bag.
100%.
Right?
100%.
So what is the concept of this grocery truck? Like suppose me and my friends here in our lane, in our area want to order. What can we do?
You can either place the order online or you can WhatsApp us. We schedule the time that is convenient for you and your society friends. We come to your society, we tell you about what we are doing, why we are doing it, and then it's very simple. Whatever you require, we remove the needle dispensers, we weigh it according to your choice, and then we pack it in our cloth bags if you are not carrying your containers.
Correct.
And one more thing I'd like to add: all these groceries are 100% organic, no chemical, no residue, no pesticides. And
but how do we ensure that? Because there is a lot of debate going on saying that the vegetable vendors which sell in a normal market are now sitting in an organic market saying that no, ये तो organic है. But maybe there's no way of
testing it out. But for us, I can say that since we've partnered with Shalan Organic Stores, they have their own certification. They've actually
that's important.
They've actually found their own farmers who agreed to do this for them, and they have a very strict quality testing. Right? Even in this truck, every time we send for restocking, all of the stock is rechecked. That is it still fine? Has there come any problem? Have they gone bad? Are there some pests? If anything like that happens, we discard the material, because for us, as important as it is to not use plastic, it is also important that what the customers are eating is 100% safe.
That's amazing. And Shiny had a suggestion for you guys is that she wanted a toy truck. She wanted a toy truck.
Maybe someday soon.
Yeah, because again toys are again plastic and they are also packaged in plastic. So guys, everything these days is plastic, but if you go away from plastic, there is a more beautiful and a better world that you can
100%.
see.
100%.
So with that, I would like to do some grocery shopping. So come with me.